Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the UAE Pass application with the latest 2026 update from logging in to accessing the services and the documents. So if you are new or you just want a quick guide, this video is for you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your UAE Pass application on your phone. You are going to see this type of interface if you are opening it for the very first time. Now here, first of all, you need to select the language in which you are comfortable. For example, let's say I selected English language. Afterwards, it is going to show you some of the use cases of UAE Pass application. So here you can read it if you want, or you can tap on the option of continue. Now simply tap on the option of I have an existing account, because I'm assuming that you already have an existing account with UAE Pass. So when you tap on it, simply turn this toggle button on in order to allow the terms and conditions here. Afterwards, tap on the option of accept. Now provide your either Emirates ID, mobile number or email address. Then on the next page, you just have to provide your fingerprints or your face ID or PIN number, whichever you have used in order to log in into your account. So basically you need to log in into your account if you are already here. Now once you have successfully logged in, you are going to see this type of page in front of you. So when you see this type of dashboard on the home page, on the top you are going to see the information about your Emirates ID. Underneath it, you are going to see whether your account is verified or whether it is not verified. You will also see your name, your digital ID and the menus for the services, for the documents and the settings. So here, if you want to add any document, simply tap on the option of add document. After that, you just have to basically follow certain instructions in order to add that document in your wallet. So here you can also scan, or you can use this particular scan the QR code, and you can also scan the document in order to add it. You can also tap on the option of sign in order to sign any of the document via digital signature. You can use the digital signature tool first. Then when you tap on the option of sign document, simply upload your file and sign securely using the UAE Pass credentials. You can also access your documents by tapping on this documents option here in the bottom. If you want to access further details, you can tap on the option of your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. With the help of it, you can update your info, you can change your login security, or you can also log out when you are done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.